Hello friends, welcome back to Feasty Sisters. Cakes are something that are relished by all of us, and what can be more delightful than baking a homemade cake? Since jackfruits are in season now, let's make a soft and spongy jackfruit cake today. I have 280 grams of jackfruit pulp here, 260 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, 180 grams of sugar, 60 grams of milk, 65 grams of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a few drops of vanilla essence which is optional, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Grease your baking tin with oil and dust with flour as shown and keep it ready. I have used a bread loaf tin here. You can use any baking mold. Firstly, let's sieve the dry ingredients one by one, starting from maida, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Sieving helps to combine everything evenly before they are mixed with the wet ingredients. Keep the sieved dry ingredients aside. Now, dip in the jackfruit pulp in a mixing bowl and whisk it well. In goes milk and oil and whisk till homogeneous mixture is formed. Add in sugar next. I have taken sugar in its crystal form here. Mix till it combines well. Drop in vanilla essence now and mix. You can skip adding the essence. Time to combine the dry and the wet ingredients. Gently fold the dry ingredients in batches into the wet ingredients as shown. In between the addition of the dry ingredients, mix the batter gently. Once done, if you find the batter to be too thick, gradually add in additional milk to get the required consistency. I required about 1/4 cup of additional milk here. Don't overmix the batter since this can turn the cake gummy or unpleasantly chewy. Once done, the consistency of the batter should be as shown. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Transfer the batter into the baking mold and tap it 2 to 3 times to get rid of air bubbles and bake for 45 to 55 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius till a skewer or toothpick inserted into it comes out clean. Once cooled, demold the cake and slice it. Here it is, a totally delectable, soft and moist jackfruit cake, ready to indulge as a tea time cake or as a dessert with ice cream on top. If you like this recipe, click on the like button and please do consider subscribing to our channel as we'll be bringing more such recipes in the future. Thanks for watching.